Hi, I'm going to talk about is how to fly a little radio control helicopter, or for that matter, any radio control helicopter. Two components, the helicopter itself, the controller, which is called a transmitter. A little bit of ground school first of all, how the controller works. After you turn the power on, there's going to be four possible controls to make your helicopter fly. First of all, you have a throttle, which is like the gas pedal in your car. Push it forward, the blades spin faster, makes your helicopter go up. You pull it back, it lowers the speed, your helicopter comes down. On my left thumb, I turn the lever or push a lever to the left, makes the nose of the helicopter turn left. Just like if you're riding a bicycle or a car and you want to steer it left. On the other hand, you want to go right, you just push the controller right. On the right thumb is two controls too. I push it forward, the nose of the helicopter goes down. I pull it back, nose of the helicopter comes up. When I push the stick to the left, the helicopter will tilt left. When I push the stick to the right, the helicopter will tilt right. This is a good chance, little helicopter, to have a lot of fun indoors. Mainly I say indoors, it only weighs about 1 to 1.5 ounces. If you fly it outside, more than a 2 or 3 mile per hour breeze, you're not going to be able to maintain control. Since it flies in such a very small space, it's fun to fly it in a house, which I'm going to demo in just a minute. Difference here, roughly $100 buys you a controller helicopter compared to several $1,000s which you can pay for a gasoline powered helicopter. This does exactly the same thing a $3,000 helicopter does, except fly inverted, which is upside down. And now what I want to do is show you, because a picture's worth 1,000 words, how the helicopter flies. So what I'm going to do, bring up the throttle speed, rotor, I'm going to lift off, and attempt to hold it steady. I'm going to show you what happens. Very steady helicopter. I'm going to give it a hard left and make it spin around. This is my left stick to the left. Bring it out of that. Just let go of the stick. Springs in the transmitter or the controller, and it brings everything back to neutral. Now the most important thing when you're learning how to fly, you want to learn how to fly tail in. See, the tail is facing me, the nose is out. That's when you move the levers to the left, it'll go left, right is right. I'm going to show you how simple this little guy is to fly. I'm laying right here in my hand, just as easy as could be. Now hopefully that was informative and a lot of fun to watch. Hope it was as fun for you as it was for me.